Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the Minute Answer. Right. In the previous videos, I talked about how to create a Facebook page, how to create an Instagram account, how to create a Facebook account. I'll put the link below and you can see all those things. And today I'm going to give you a tip. What is that? How you can post a picture or video on the Instagram using the PC. Now Instagram gave their users that feature. Previously, when the beginning part of the Instagram it's didn't available. Now you can post simply. You don't need to install any extensions, right? That's great thing. It's I'm very like that feature. Right, hit this icon and drag and drop few videos here. That's amazing. Right, okay, select it from your computer, like the desktop, and I select this one. Wow, it's amazing. You can drag and you can set the dimensions you photo, then it automatically set. You see Instagram interface, right? Let's go to next. Wow, so a lot of stuff, you can change the colors. Oh, that's amazing. Right, I would like to keep the original one. I think that's great. And you can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, fade, a lot of things. Oh, that's great. And also you can write a caption. And you can mention some emojis. No, yeah, you can use some emojis and accessibility. Lot of settings. This is same like the app, Instagram app, but I think this is very user friendly. No? So I'm not going to add these anything, and you can share it here. Oh, it's sharing. That's amazing. Oh, right. Now we can find out where. Yeah, right. It's here. Whoa, that's great, no? Right. I think this is a very great feature that they introduce us. Okay, up to now that's all. In the future, I hope to give you how to manage your Instagram account. It could be Instagram masterclass with some more chapters. It could be a course, like it could be a course. You don't need to spend any $1. I mean, don't spend any kind of money for that, because that's totally free. I need to give you the exact knowledge. I need from you, please subscribe my channel and hit bell notification and give me a thumbs up. It will really helpful to me. I'm just only that expecting from you, because I need to bring up this channel up to good channel, right? I like to give my knowledge to you all, because I also learn with a lot of difficulties. So that means a lot of late nights and lot of things I need to learn. So therefore I need to give that knowledge to you free of charge, totally free of charge. I don't need any kind of thing, just only your subscription and the like. Okay, thank you very much. Up now that's all. Let's see you with another video. See you and have a nice day.